Breaking news coming in. All BJP probables likely to have a meeting with JP Nadda tomorrow. BJP chief is also going to be meeting those who are going to be dumped. Narayan Rane, Shantanu Thakur, Sarbananda Sonowal are going to be landing in Delhi post 3 p.m. Thawarchand Gehlot, who was a cabinet minister, has now been made the governor of Karnataka, so his social justice ministry is now up for grabs. That's what we've been reporting. The latest coming in at the moment is that the Modi cabinet expansion likely on Thursday, which is day after tomorrow at 10:30 a.m., which is 8th of July. So the big story on India Today is on the cabinet reshuffle. All BJP probables likely to have a meeting with JP Nadda. BJP chief is also going to be meeting those who are going to be dumped. So many new faces are going to be added, but many old faces are likely to be dumped. Paulami Saha bringing us all the very latest details. Paulami, what do we know so far from sources? But please encapsulate for us.
Well, Chetty, we do know that the cabinet reshuffle is now imminent. It had been speculated for a very, very long time that it is happening. There is a process, several meetings are happening, and they did happen. The Prime Minister did have several rounds of meetings with the BJP President, with the Home Minister, with the BJP General Secretary Organization, Mr. B.L. Santosh, and batches of ministers evaluating their performance, looking at how their ministries have been performing. So clearly, there was a lot of homework which was done over several rounds of meetings which took place at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg, the Prime Minister's residence. And then, of course, some other internal meetings which continued between the BJP National President JP Nadda and the Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah at his residence as well, some late night meetings as well. And finally, it appears now that that cabinet reshuffle is happening. We're waiting for an official time from the President's house as to when that reshuffle is likely to happen. But already calls have started going out, and these calls are being made, as per our sources, by the BJP General Secretary Organization B.L. Santosh, where he's calling BJP members of Parliament, specifically those who are to be inducted into the Union Council of Ministers. He's calling them into Delhi, those who are outside Delhi at the moment, and has asked them to meet with the BJP National President. JP Nadda is outside Delhi right now. He's in Himachal Pradesh. He is going to be back later this evening by about 6 p.m. This evening, after which we're likely to see a lot of activity at JP Nadda's residence when all of these members of Parliament from the Bharatiya Janata Party start arriving at his residence. Also, allies of the party have got calls as well, including the JDU. We also believe Apna Dal's Anupriya Patel will be re-inducted into the Union Council of Ministers. But we're still waiting for confirmation on whether the Nishad Party and Sanjay Nishad of Nishad Party will also be inducted, keeping in mind, of course, the UP Assembly elections of 2022.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks, Paulami, for getting us those latest details. Paulami Saha with the inside tracks with all our other reporters as well. Rahul Srivastav getting us minute-by-minute updates in terms of what he's picking up from the sources. This is a big story at the moment. We're breaking the reshuffle, and the names will be announced, I beg your pardon, most likely day after tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. is what we are picking up. Nadda is also going to be meeting those who are getting dumped from the cabinet. New faces being added, old faces, some of the old faces rather, likely to be dumped.